Afternoon Ma'am Asham, so Secretary namin. Good afternoon. This is Rex Alwin J. Akisan, the Municipal Mayor of Kabayan, Benguet. And it is with deep concern that we address the unfortunate accident that happened earlier in our municipality. And on behalf of the local government unit of Kabayan, we'd like to express our heartfelt sympathies and prayers to the victims, their families, and everyone who were involved in the incident. So, as of this time, our emergency response teams, the MDRRMO, the Kabayan PNP, BFP, and BLGU of Gusaran and Poblacion and other private citizens have acted immediately to secure the area, assist the injured, and prevent further harm. And so, also with the RHU of Kabayan who has treated the patients. 10:07 a.m., the Kabayan MDRRMO received a report via phone call from a concerned citizen regarding a vehicular accident at Congressman Andres Acop Cosalan Road, Sitio Buay, Poblacion, Kabayan. So it involved a 6-wheeler truck from Mountain Province bound for Nueva Vizcaya, carrying 39 passengers. The vehicle overturned due to a mechanical failure at that part, and the responders were immediately dispatched and arrived at the accident site at 10:15 a.m. So all casualties were referred to the Kabayan Rural Health Unit by 11:48 a.m. So yung pinaka-last po na patient was referred to the Kabayan RHU by ng 11:48 a.m. So with the casualties and injuries, 10 patients with multiple head injuries and fractures were referred to Dennis Molintas District Hospital at Bukod, Benguet. And then 12 patients with minor injuries were treated at the Kabayan RHU, including the driver of the vehicle. And the 12 passengers with no injuries temporarily accommodated at the Kabayan RHU and Poblacion Barangay Hall. And we have 5 deaths. All are male. 1 3-year-old male, 1 11-year-old male, 1 49-year-old male, and 2 other males. Ages are pending verification. So as of this hour, those are the report, and we also asked the public for calm and their cooperation and responsible sharing of information, especially on social media. Hirap po tayo na mag-share ng unverified reports. So let us avoid spreading unverified reports that may cause unnecessary fear or confusion. And we have also coordinated with the LGU of Bauco since the passengers majority came from the municipality of Bauco. And as of this hour, we'll have again our meeting to have an update on the initial reports a while ago. So, God bless us all. We ask that for everyone's prayer and everyone's safety for this incident. Thank you very much.